Hey guys, how's it going? Brad Riley here and welcome to this video. And in this one today, I'm gonna show you how you can get more social media marketing clients with $0 today. Now, just before we jump into the video, if you are new around here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss another upload. And also, if you would be so kind, if you can drop a like rating on this video, it really does support me as well. So, as we all know, one of the biggest benefits of social media marketing as a business model compared to something such as drop shipping or Amazon FBA or any other brick and mortar company or business is that it doesn't cost a single dollar to start. So obviously in this video today, it's how you can start your agency with no money. Well, the truth is there's a few simple things that you can do to start this with no money. Now, obviously, if you wanted to invest funds when starting your agency, you could. There are things such as paid traffic, and there's also other methods such as, paying for appointment setters and paying salespeople to actually set up meetings for you. Obviously, all those things are great, but they do require some money. So in this video today, I'm gonna run through some methods you can use that require $0. So the first benefit, of course, is to focus on free outreach methods. I know this is really obvious, but that couldn't be more true, right? Like I said, there are paid options. You can use paid ads. You can pay appointment setters. And all those things are just not necessary. So keep it simple. And if you don't have any money, simply put your focus on the free outreach methods. Things such as freelance websites, recruitment sites, cold email outreach, Groupon, LinkedIn, Facebook groups, people per hour. There are a bunch of different ways you can get clients without having to spend a single dollar. So to keep it real simple, make sure your focus, if you have no money, is on those methods. There's no need for you to procrastinate actually doing outreach because you're waiting until you can afford to pay some appointment setter. You don't need to do that. Keep it simple. Now, the second tip that I have for you, if you have no money, this is so important. You always want to charge upfront for your retainer. Now, if you have no money to invest, I'm assuming you don't have that much money, which is absolutely fine. I remember when I started my agency, I was actually in my overdraft. I was in debt, so I know exactly what it's like to start a business with no money. But guess what? If you have no money, the first thing that you need in your business is cash flow, and you need cash flow fast. And the best way you can cash flow your business is by charging upfront for your services. So rather than saying, okay, this is gonna be $1,000 per month, doing your 30 days of service and then sending the invoice, then charging, always charge upfront for your services. Don't start any work until that payment is hit your account, until that payment's into your PayPal, into your Stripe, into your bank, whatever it may be. Because like I said, if you don't have any money, the first thing you need to do right now is cash flow your business, because in order for you to actually offer this service, there are some costs involved. Now, the great thing is a lot of these costs incur after you start actually getting clients, okay? So for example, team members, software, things along those lines, they cost a bit of money. Not too expensive, but they do cost money. And obviously if you have $0, you're going to still need to get those services to offer this service. So that's why you need to charge upfront to cash flow your business to then cover these expenses. Now, the third tip that I have for you, very similar to that one, is that you do not need to incur all of these costs upfront. You do not need to buy ClickFunnels, buy all of these e-contract services. You don't need to get the paid version of Slack. You don't need to start paying team members upfront until you get clients. There's no need for you to incur any expenses until you're actually making income within your business. And I know it's so easy to do that, and I use this analogy all the time, but you don't want to be that person who goes out, buys all the expensive tennis equipment, buys the expensive racket, the expensive sweatbands, all the expensive gear and the trainers, and then never goes out and actually plays tennis. Like, you don't want to be that person in the SMMA industry that has all the fancy $100 per month softwares, the best team that you're paying on a retainer, all of this stuff, but actually not focusing on going out there and getting deals. So another thing to avoid if you don't have any money or don't have a lot of money is to avoid incurring costs until you're actually making income. Now, the fourth and final tip I have for you today when it comes to starting an agency with no money is to make sure you hire virtually. Now, I'm a big believer, and I've got plenty of videos on the channel that speak about actually automating your agency by building a team. I've got so many videos on it, so be sure to go and check them out. But if you really want to scale your agency up to 6 figures and beyond, you will hit a glass ceiling, you will hit a roof if you don't automate your service delivery and actually build a team. If you're doing everything yourself, if you're the sales guy, landing clients, handling all the admin, and then on top of that, you're the person running your clients' Facebook ads, making the social media posts for your clients, and all of that stuff, you're going to very quickly hit a ceiling to which you cannot scale anymore. We do not want that to happen. So I really recommend you get a team. And the way that you can do that without actually incurring any costs is to do this all virtually. You can go online, you can use Facebook groups, you can use Upwork and other freelance platforms to actually find contractors, get in communication with them, build a relationship, and have them ready to go. You can get them inside your Slack channel on the free version and have them ready to go. So as soon as you do land a client, you can pull the trigger and you have a team there ready to make sure your service delivery is getting done to the best quality possible and to make sure it's automated for you as the owner to actually focus on the sales side and growing your business. So to hire team members, it's not like it used to be back in the day where you had to hire somebody on payroll full time, pay them their pension, pay national insurance, all these additional things, and actually have, paying them month to month without you actually getting any clients. You don't have to do that. These contractors all run their own companies. You can get them, build a relationship, not pay them a penny, and guess what? As soon as you land your first client, you've got that cash flow, you can then obviously cut off that, their proportion of the client, pay them their fees once that money's come in for you as well. And that's a really great way that you can actually build your agency, build your systems, build the back end of your business without even spending a single penny doing so. Now, hopefully you guys found a bunch of value in this video. If you did, please drop a like button. And if you are interested in having me personally mentor you one-on-one to help you grow your business every single day, I do actually run a really cheap and really reasonable mentorship group that's only $30 per month. You get a bunch of benefits, including full access to me, full access to my team, weekly live calls, weekly masterclass trainings, daily value posts. We're going to be doing group meetups later in this year as well, and it's only $30 per month. My goal really is to help as many people as possible, help mentor people without the crazy price tag as well. So if you're interested in that, you could use mine and my team's personal help. Check out the top link in the description. I would love to see you there. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one.